You've probably heard the saying, an elephant never forgets, but most people think that means they're just wise, peaceful giants with good memories. That's only half true, because elephants do remember, but they also remember pain, violence, and revenge. Researchers have documented elephants returning to specific villages years after being attacked or abused, and destroying homes, crops, and even killing humans. Why? Because elephants have some of the largest and most complex brains in the animal kingdom. They remember faces, voices, even trauma. They don't just forgive and forget. Sometimes they remember to come back. Did you know elephants could hold grudges?